When was the last time you thought about your eyes? Not just to clean your glasses, but to truly care for your vision. Well, what if I told you that one of the easiest things you can do every day to protect your eyesight is right here? Plain, simple water. Yes, it turns out that staying hydrated is not just about your joints or skin, it's essential for your vision too. Let's talk about the fascinating science of hydration and the foods that can help you see clearly, even in your 80s. You know, many people don't realize just how much our eyes depend on water. Your tears, made mostly of water. The fluid that keeps your eye surface moist, that's water too. Now, if you're dehydrated, even mildly, your eyes suffer. You might get dryness, redness, a burning sensation, even blurry vision. And here's what scientists found. Only 26% of people drink 5 or more glasses of water a day, while a surprising 15% drink just 1 glass. That's not enough to keep your eyes, or your body, functioning properly. So how much should you be drinking? Women, around 2 liters, 8 cups per day. Men, closer to 2.5 liters, 10 cups. But that doesn't mean you need to force down plain water all day. Let's make it practical. If plain water bores you, join the club. The good news is you can hydrate through all kinds of fluids and foods. Herbal tea, low-sugar fruit, water, soaps, yogurt, milk. Even some fruits and vegetables are packed with water. In summer, it's even more important to hydrate because you're sweating more. So drink often. But be mindful of alcohol. It dehydrates the body and can make dry eye symptoms worse. One helpful tip: keep a glass of water by your bed, one on your kitchen table, and a bottle near your favorite chair. A little at a time adds up quickly. But water isn't the only hero for your eyes. Let's talk about food. We've all heard it. Eat your carrots and they're good for your eyes. Well, it's true. But there's much more to the story. Let me walk you through the vision superfoods that every older adult should know about. Carrots. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, essential for night vision. But don't stop at carrots. Spinach, kale, and broccoli. These leafy greens contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants. They filter harmful blue light and help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Fatty fish, think salmon, tuna, mackerel, or sardines. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help prevent dry eyes and support your retina. If you don't eat fish, you can talk to your doctor about omega-3 supplements. Eggs. Eggs are loaded with zinc, lutein, and vitamin A, a perfect combo for eye health. Bonus: they're gentle on digestion. Berries, blueberries, blackberries, bilberries. These dark berries contain anthocyanins, compounds that strengthen blood vessels in the retina and improve night vision. Nuts and seeds. A handful of almonds, walnuts, or sunflower seeds gives you vitamin E and healthy fats that protect your eyes from oxidative damage. Bell peppers, red, orange, or yellow, all rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help strengthen eye tissues and reduce inflammation. So how do we put this all together? Here's my personal routine. Start the day with a glass of warm water. Enjoy herbal tea with lemon or ginger snack on berries or a handful of almonds. Eat a lunch rich in greens and cooked fish. And at dinner, maybe a soup or a glass of milk. It's not complicated. It's just intentional. Hydration plus nutrition equals long-lasting vision. As we age, we often focus on our joints, our memory, our bones. But don't forget your eyes. They are your window to the world. And sometimes, all they need is a little love, a little water, and a plate full of color. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and share it with someone who wants to see clearly for many more years. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more healthy wisdom coming your way. Stay hydrated, stay sharp, and until next time, Take care, my friends.